Roomba is supposed to work for you.
Eddie, can you tell Roomba to clean under the kitchen table?
But who knew a Roomba could turn the table by disappearing?
We'll find him and we look under all the furniture.
Okay, what did you do while the robot is go out?
We were doing Christmas decoration in and out he escaped.
2 days later, Eliezer found him under a bunch of leaves.
How far did she actually get?
To be honest, he didn't get very far.
Maybe 10 yards. It was after they found him that they looked back at their ring camera and witnessed his escape.
Eliezer, what you respond when you found the robot?
We were laughing hysterically.
So was the internet, the little Roomba that could. Now, that's a clean getaway. Clean. But Roomba was a mess. He lost his padding and his brushes, though he still works.
He did his job, you know. He was doing what he was born to do.
So she saluted the runway Roomba and escaped by adding the George Michael Classic 3003 without Roomba. See you in other CNN.